I see it all the time. New layout, new copy, new brand colors. You finally finish rebuilding your site again. And what happens? Leads still dry, inquiries still slow, clients still confused. If you've rebuilt your site 3 times and still aren't getting the right leads, this episode may be for you. Stick around. This is FlashFilm Academy, where creators build a business, not just a portfolio. This is where you come when you're done listening to sponsored gurus pushing cameras instead of clients. Everything here is battle tested by real content creators in the field closing real deals. We teach what wins and not what trends. And that's probably why my videos ain't getting mad views, but hey, I'd rather help 20 of you than BS 2 million of you. All right? Let's get to it. In part 2, I want to be honest with you, because in part 2 over at FlashFilmAcademy.com, we will show you how to structure your site like a buying journey, not like a business card. You'll also get the conversion purpose audit to spot what's breaking your site before you redesign again. All right? I'm giving you all of that for our members over at FlashFilm Academy. Now let's get to it, because this is a pattern I see often. You build the portfolio site, you update it based on best practices, you keep tweaking visuals, layout, copy. You hope it'll finally unlock leads, but no matter how polished it gets, your business doesn't grow. And the worst part is, you start thinking the problem is your work. So you upgrade your reel, you change the hero section, you swap fonts, and still nothing. This gotta suck. And I know when you go digging for information on the internet, you hear advice like improve your copy or make your brand cleaner. Just keep optimizing. It's all about traffic. So you try it. You hire a web designer. You tweak the about page. You make your site look like the pros. Still no qualified leads. That's because no one told you this. A pretty website with no conversion purpose is just an expensive brochure. Let me say it again, because a lot of y'all didn't get my bar of the week. A pretty website with no conversion purpose is just an expensive brochure. Now, let's slow it down. Your website isn't failing because it's ugly. It's failing because it doesn't guide decisions. Here's the missing variable. It's not conversion purposed. Most creators' websites are designed to look good, but not lead buyers anywhere. What's the purpose of your homepage? What decisions is it trying to move? Most creators can't answer that. They design for validation and not conversion. That's why the site keeps changing, but the results never do. Now, this is where I stop, because if I keep going without structure, people will copy templates and misapply them again. Inside FlashFilm Academy, we walk you through how to define your site's real job, how to align each page with the buyer's decision stage, and what not to put on your homepage that most creators do. You'll also get the conversion purpose audit to check if your site's helping or hurting. That's what the Academy is for. Not just design tips, but decision clarity. All right? Because in part 2, we're gonna fix this. We got a lot to fix. We got a whole lot to fix. But if you're a member, the video is now available. If not, consider joining. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.